Hello, you can see this is a clown type. It's very cute. You can see the looking. It's like a Merry Christmas type, if you like this. Here is a controller room. You can see. Here is a monitor. You can monitor everything. And music like this. You can see the brake is very easy to control. Here you can see the details. Good quality. And can hold 4 people, 4 children in one room. It's very cute. You can see Merry Christmas, Christmas man. It's very good. You can see. You see the height. Okay, you can add more containers behind. It can 1 plus 3, and you can 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5. Okay, if you like this, let me know. Have a nice day.